Question number 21. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 11 cm and radius of its top, which is open, is 2.5 cm. It is filled with water up to the rim. When some lead shoots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.25 cm, are dropped into the vessel, 2/5 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shoots dropped into the vessel. Let n be the number of lead shoots. Height of cone is equal to 11 cm. Radius of cone, capital R, is equal to 2.5 cm. Radius of sphere, small r, is equal to 0.25 centimeter. N into volume of sphere equal to 2/5 volume of cone. So n is equal to 2/5 into 1/3 pi r square h divided by volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. 3 is cancelled, pi is cancelled, and n is equal to 2/5 into radius, that is radius of cone is 25/10 into 25/10. 2.5, that is 25/10 into 25/10 into height is 11 divided by 4 into r cube. Radius is 25/100 into 25/100 into 25/100, that is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So 4 is cancelled. N is equal to 55, 11 5s are 55 upon 2 into 4 into 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, which implies n equal to 55 into 8. N equal to 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4, that is equal to 44. Answer. Let n be the number of lead shoots. Height of cone capital H equal to 11 cm and radius of cone capital R, that is equal to 2.5 cm. Radius of sphere small r equal to 0.25 cm. N into volume of sphere is equal to 2/5 of volume of cone. 2/5 of the water flows out, that is 2/5 times of volume of cone. 2/5 into volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h divided by volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Pi is cancelled, 3 is cancelled, and 2/5 into radius is 2.5, that is 25 upon 10 into 25 upon 10 multiplied by height is 11, divided by 4 into radius is 0.25, that is 25 upon 100 into 25 upon 100 into 25 upon 100. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. 4 is cancelled, and 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. 2 is cancelled, and 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So we get 11 into 5, that is 55 upon 2 into 4 multiplied by 4 into 4 multiplied by numerator, that is 4 into 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 55 multiplied by 4 2s are 8. We get n is equal to 440. Answer. Question number 22. The surface area of a solid metallic sphere is 616 centimeter square. It is melted and recast into smaller spheres of diameter 3.5 centimeter. How many such spheres can be obtained? Let n be the number of spheres obtained. Surface area of sphere equal to 616 centimeter square, that is 4 pi r square equal to 616. R square is equal to 616 upon 4 into 22 multiplied by 7. 11 2s are 22 and 11 5s are 55. Then 6 66, 11 6 are 66. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, which implies radius square equal to 28 into 7 divided by 4. 7 4s are 28. R square is equal to 49. So R is equal to under root of 49 and radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of sphere. Radius of sphere R equal to 7 centimeter. N is equal to volume of bigger sphere divided by volume of smaller sphere. Diameter of smaller sphere. Diameter of smaller sphere equal to 3.5 centimeter and radius equal to 3.5 upon 2 centimeter. N is equal to 4 upon 3 pi radius of bigger sphere, that is in 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 4 upon 3 pi. Radius is 35 upon 20, 35 upon 20, 35 upon 20. 4 upon 3 pi, 4 upon 3 pi is cancelled. And we get 7 5s are 35, 4 5s are 20. 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4, which implies n is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4. 7 7 7 7 7 7 is cancelled, and we get n is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Answer. Let n be the number of spheres obtained and surface area of sphere is equal to 616 centimeter square. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square equal to 616. R square equal to 616 divided by 4 pi. Pi is 22 upon 7 and 7 multiplied by numerator. So 11 2s are 22 and 11 56 are 616. 2 1s are 2 and 28 2s are 56. R square is equal to 28 into 7 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 7 4s are 28. 7 7s are 49. R square is root 49. Then we get radius of bigger sphere is equal to 7 centimeter. And n is equal to volume of bigger sphere divided by volume of smaller sphere. Diameter of smaller sphere is given 3.5 centimeter and its radius is half of diameter, that is 3.5 upon 2 centimeter. And n is equal to 4 upon 3 pi. Radius of bigger is 7 into 7 into 7 and 4 upon 3 pi. Radius of smaller sphere is 35 upon 20 into 35 upon 20 into 35 upon 20. 7 5s are 35, 4 4s are 20. 7 5s are 35, 4 4s are 20. 7 5s are 35 and 4 4s are 20. So n is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4. 7 7 is cancelled, 7 7 is cancelled, 7 7 is cancelled, and 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64. Multiply by numerator, we get n is equal to 64. Answer. Thank you.